I thought the AI was glitching because when I asked who triggered the motion sensor, it answered with a name. The problem was, I live alone. The motion alert came just after midnight, second floor hallway. At first I ignored it. Old houses make noise. Sensors fail. It happens. Then my phone vibrated again. Movement detected upstairs. I checked the camera feed. Nothing there. Empty hallway. Stillness. Then the AI assistant activated by itself. He's upstairs. I laughed nervously. Actually laughed. Because I assumed it misunderstood a command or misread a movement. So I asked, "Who's upstairs?" 3 seconds of silence. Then, the tall one. I grabbed my phone flashlight and walked toward the staircase. Every step creaked. The upstairs hallway was dark except for moonlight coming through a small window. No movement, no sound, nothing. Then my phone vibrated again. Motion detected behind you. I turned immediately. Empty staircase. He moved. The upstairs bathroom door slowly opened by itself. Not dramatic, not fast, just slow enough to feel intentional. Inside the bathroom, the light flickered once, and in the mirror, for less than a second, I saw a tall silhouette standing behind me. No face, no features, just shape. Then the light died completely. "Don't let him hear you breathing." I stopped breathing instantly, and from somewhere inside the darkness upstairs, I heard breathing that wasn't mine. I ran downstairs and locked myself in my car until sunrise. When I checked the security footage later, the hallway camera captured something strange. At exactly 3:17 a.m., every frame is briefly distorted, and for one frame only, something impossibly tall was standing at the top of the stairs, watching the camera. And I never asked the assistant another question again, because sometimes, late at night, it still answers anyway.